This is a pin socket connector. In some cases, a flat cable is used to be soldered on the pins just like this. To do this, first you have to prepare the flat cable for soldering. An easy way to do is to strip the wire, then solder the fine copper to harden the tip. Here, I already stripped the wires prepared for soldering. But when you start to solder, you start to realize the limitation of soldering. Because you have to adjust yourself to fit the situation. Because the wires goes in every direction. You have no control of the wires without your hands on it. So you can't comfortably solder at any way you want. And the worst is when you want to solder the middle wires. I'm going to use the multi-hand to help grab the wires for me. Bring this arm down, open the clip, adjust it to the right angle, and here we go. Then we do it again on the next wire. You can easily adjust the angle that fits your most comfortable soldering position. I noticed that this alligator clip is grabbing the wire too hard and with its sharp teeth. This could damage the wire. I could use something to wrap around the sharp teeth, but that will make the clip squeeze even stronger. This is a typical laundry clip. It has much weaker grip and wider clamping surface. If you are able to use this to hold your wires, it will be much safer. Here's another great feature of the multi-hand. This is called a big connector. With this, you can enhance the multi-hand to use any kind of clip that is best for the job. Just prepare the big connector like this, then take out the small connector. Then put in a new one, place the laundry clip in, screw it in tight, and you are ready. Now you got the flat cable ready to solder on the pin connector. You can adjust the angle of the arm and the kind of clip. So it's like you can control a situation to cope with you, rather than forcing yourself to cope with the situation. You can also use the multi-hand to help you when soldering on the pin connectors. Choose the multi-hand to be your extra hand, because sometimes it takes a little help to get the job done a lot faster. Please visit our website at www.cyberbread.com.